Similarly, if you don't know where you are, you're also not going to know how to get to Paro. So the key thing when it comes to group accounting is to know where you are, which we call in group accounting your starting point, and know where you want to be, which we call in group accounting your end point. How you get there is a vehicle. Okay. What vehicle do we get there? Through pro forma journal entries. So just keep that in mind. The way you go from your starting point to your end point is through a vehicle, and this vehicle is called pro forma journal entries. What is our endpoint? What is the destination? The destination is our group annual financial statements. So the endpoint, the final destination is your group annual financial statements. If we go back to the beginning of the lesson, where I explained that diagram, that the group annual financial statement is that square block, the one economic entity made up of those three individual companies